to my channel. Today I have this beautiful, glamorous, sexy Valentine's look. I hope you guys like it. This look was inspired by a girl. I can't remember her name, but I will definitely leave her information down below. So if you guys want to know how to recreate this look, well, keep on watching. Alright, I know I look a little bit crazy, but I am excited to do this look. So it's super easy. It looks like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. So as you guys can see, I have this tape right here, and I am going to set or prime my eyelid. So I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Concealer, and I am just going to put a dot. I'm just going to put a dot in it using a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to be spreading this all over my lid, all the way up to the brow bone. Now I am going to be grabbing a little bit of setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting this all over the eye. Now we're going to get into the eye look. So first I am going to be using a brush like this. Then I am going to be grabbing a light brown color, and this is going to be transition shade, and this is like a light brown, so it's like a nude brown, and I am just going to put it on my eye right here. And I'm just going to be using one transition shade today, some circular motions just to buff everything in. And I'm not trying to take this transition shade too high, because then our eye is going to look small whenever we apply the black eyeshadow. So now I am going to be grabbing a black eyeshadow. In this case, I am going to be using this one from this palette, from the NYX, and I am going to be using my e.l.f. eye crease brush, and it looks like this. And I am just going to be applying this on my lid. And one thing about using black shadow, that you guys want to use a little bit at a time, because if you put too much, it's going to be really hard to blend. So just work slowly. And the tip about this eye look is blending. Like blending. That's the main thing. Back with the naked brush, and I'm just going to be blending it so we don't have really harsh lines. Oh, sorry, you guys are seeing. Sorry, so I'm just like going back and forth. Back with the brush that we were using, our e.l.f. brush. Grabbing this color right, I'm going to be using the naked brush, and I'm going to be putting this in the outer V, and I'm going to drag it all the way to the inner corner. I'm going to do another coat of the black eyeshadow. Alright, beauties, and I think I did 3 or 4 coats of black shadow, and then I went back with the brush and blend it out. That's a lot of blending, so I didn't want to show everything in here because it was going to take forever, but basically that's what I did until I got that intensity that I wanted to. Now I'm going to use my finger and go really close on my eyelash line and just press that black shadow so we get that really deep eye. And then I think I have everything blended, so I am going to take this off, and that's how it looks. Grabbing my black eyeliner from Marc Jacobs, and I am going to be lining my eye. Sorry for making faces. Be using a clean brush, and this is the Morphe 505, and I'm just going and making sure everything is super blended. These are the Adele A11, and they are super pretty using my Huda Beauty Ash Glue. I'm literally in love with this glue. This dries super fast, so you don't need to wait until it gets tacky because it dries super quick. What I like to do before I apply my falsies, I like to go and try and make like a U. I don't know if you guys can see it, but trying to make a U. I totally forgot to put mascara, so I'm going to do it really quick, and then I'm going to continue applying my lashes. Okay, and they are on. So now I'm going to go finish my, well, not finish, but I'm going to go put my foundation, and I'll be right back to put my highlighter and finish my eye look. I'll be right back. I am back, and you guys can see it looks so different, this makeup. So I'm here just to rub this up, and yeah, so I am going to be applying highlight. I'm going to be using my Cover FX Perfect Highlighting Palette, and it looks like this. And a little bit of all-nighter, as you guys know. I love this setting spray, and I am going to be using the Morphe 504, so it's a little bit bigger, but I am going to use this, and I am going to grab some of that, and I'm going to play it right here. And one thing that I've been liking lately is whenever I apply my highlight, trying to go on circles so I don't get that really straight line. So that's what I'm doing. Like, I'm just going on circular motions, applying my highlight. So I'm going to add a little bit of highlight on my forehead with whatever I have left. I'm going to use a tiny fan brush, and I'm going to spray a little bit of all-nighter. And I'm going to use my finger. For the bottom lash, or for the bottom line, I'm sorry, I'm not going to put any shadows or anything like that because I think my eye is already too bold to put something on the bottom. So I'm just going to grab a mascara. You see the Fenty Beauty. Alright, beauties, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I am in love with this result. I think it's a beautiful, sexy, glamorous Valentine look. I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not ready yet. And if you didn't like this video, it's okay. You still can subscribe because maybe the next video you will like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!